come closer. If you found me here, tucked inside these leaves, you're already part of the secret. This little cup, it's not just a nest, it's my entire world. Ah, there it is, soft fiber, weightless as a breath, and yet it changes everything. With my beak, I weave it into place, tiny stitches, patient and precise. Now the nest holds its shape better, and it finally feels like home. Now I sit right in the center, not to rest, to shape. I press the new fibers down with my body, then use my beak to stitch the edges from the outside. Tuck, pull, tighten, soft inside, strong outside. I settle into the cup and let my weight do the shaping, just enough to make the new lining sit where it belongs. Then I reach around the outer wall with my beak, tracing the rim back and forth, threading in the fibers I just brought. Every pass tightens the weave, smooths the edge, and turns loose fluff into structure. Quiet work, but this is the part that makes a nest hold together when the wind comes. That's better. When the rim sits clean and the sides don't shift, I can breathe again. For a nest this small, almost isn't enough. Ah, look what I found. A dandelion, soft, springy, and bright as the sun. I carry it carefully, then tuck it down at the base of the nest, right where it matters most. It's not decoration, it's padding, and it helps the whole cup feel warmer, steadier, and ready. Now for the part you can barely see, but I trust the most. Spider silk, thin as air, sticky as a promise. It clings to my beak while I lace it along the back of the nest, anchoring the fibers so they don't lift or slide. No noise, no show, just invisible strength holding everything together. This one is my favorite, cotton soft and weightless. I carry it back like a little cloud, then nestle it down at the base where the cup meets the branch. It's the kind of lining that keeps warmth close and turns a sturdy nest into a comfortable one. 2 quick runs after that, back out into the world, then right back to this branch. Each time I return with more cotton, adding it where the lining is thinnest and the edges need extra hold. Little by little, the cup gets softer, and the whole nest starts to feel finished, not fragile. Then I come back with silk again, fresh strands catching on my beak like invisible thread. I lay it along the rim and the outer wall, sealing the work I've already done and tightening the shape so it won't shift. This is the part that looks like nothing, until you realize it's what makes everything stay together. Relentless? Yes, because once I start, I don't stop until it's right. Now I slow down and inspect the cup like a jeweler. I check the rim, the depth, the way the lining sits against the walls. If a strand looks out of place, I fix it, quietly, carefully, until the whole nest feels balanced. Soon, my trips won't be about gathering, they'll be about guarding, because the next chapter isn't built with fibers, it's built with patience. Once this nest is finally perfect, I won't be carrying fibers anymore. I'll be carrying a different kind of hope. I'm almost ready to lay my eggs, tiny, fragile, everything I've been working toward. I can already feel it, the quiet waiting, the warmth I'll have to guard, the new life that will fill this cup. I've built this cradle with my whole body, and I'm so eager for the next chapter to begin. Tap heart and subscribe to Wild Shutter CA. The nest is nearly done, and the eggs are coming next. Stay tuned for the next chapter.